Hey guys, welcome back to one more amazing lesson of LinkedIn marketing course. And in this video, we are going to talk about how to get a dream job or how to get your dream job through LinkedIn. So guys, as we know, LinkedIn is a professional platform where you can hire an employee or you can get even hired as well. And in this video, in this particular video, we are not going to just talk about how to get a job by doing like this or by doing like this. You can get your dream job or the organization in which you want to work in, right? So how you can find out that the organization in which you want to work has a job opening, and then how to approach them with an effective way so that they can really hire you, right? So let's directly jump into my LinkedIn platform and learn about this thing. So guys, as you can see right now, we are in our LinkedIn platform, which basically the LinkedIn account which we have created in this course itself. Now I'm going to talk about one premium feature, which is basically a paid feature, but the thing is you get 1 month totally free of that feature, so you don't have to pay for the first month. And if you are consistent enough, you will get your own dream job in the first month itself, so you don't have to pay a single penny or you don't have to renew that premium feature, right? So you can directly just cancel the premium feature and then you are good to go, right? So how you can access that tool? For that you need to go to this me section, basically your profile section you can say. And once you click on this, you'll be able to see this try premium features for free. So click on this. Once you click here, you'll be able to see one question that says, Saurabh, are you interested in premium for work or personal use? So you have to just answer that why you are using the premium feature. So you can click on other and hit the next button. And once you hit the next button, these are the premium features. As you can see, career, business, sales navigator core, and recruiter lite. So recruiter lite is basically for the organizations or the employers, and sales navigator we are already using. We have already subscribe to this tool. And now we are going to mainly talk about the career premium feature. So this says get hired and get ahead. So if I go back, let me go back. Oops, yeah. Here are few key points that this plan has to offer. So stand out and get in touch with hiring managers. Yes guys, you can directly message or you can directly connect with the hiring managers of the top organizations or your dream organization, right? Then see how you compare to other applicants, right? So basically you'll be able to see that how you are getting compared with other applicants so that you can add some extra USPs about yourself. Then learn new skills to advance your careers. Yes guys, you can even learn new skills with around 18,000 plus courses available on LinkedIn platform, right? And that too for free. So if I click on learn more option, this is a separate page, basically not separate page, this is the offer, basically these are the plans, and this is the, you can say, page kind of thing. Now in the career option, here is the amount which you need to pay for from the second month. First month is totally free, and from the second month you need to pay around 783 rupees. This is in INR and it is roughly around $10 per month, right? Now what are the extra things you are getting, basically extra perks you are getting in this plan? Basically you are getting 5 in mails per month. You can see who viewed your profile in last 365 days, so that you can even approach them who have viewed your profile as well, because there's high tendency or that high chances that you can get hired from those people, right? You can, basically you can get the open profile feature, and then some exclusive insights to go ahead, like job and applicant insights as I already told you. Then top applicant job recommendations, company insights, resume insights. Then these are the skill features which will help you to become a more skillful person. So not 18,000, sorry for that, it was 16,000 plus courses, which is totally from LinkedIn and totally free. Full access to interview preparation tool where you can prepare for the interview, and if the LinkedIn is making you prepared, then there's a high chance that you can get hired from the top companies in the industry, right? So I hope you got the point how this career premium feature can help you to get hired and get your dream job in your dream company, right? Now here are few FAQs which you can go through if you are still confused. And once you are convinced with this plan, you can just click on the start my free month, and here you need to add some details, your card details. It is getting logged in, it will automatically get logged in, so you don't have to worry. So basically you need to done the transaction, so click on monthly, not go for annually. Obviously you are taking this plan to get hired, obviously, right? So I don't think there is a logic of taking annual plan. Now once you select this monthly plan, as you can see, the amount is showing totally zero because this is the first month and the first month is totally free. Now here you can add your first name, last name, your card details, and yes, card, you need to enter the card details because LinkedIn will verify you that you are the legit profile. And yeah, you don't have to worry that the money will deduct or not. No, in the first month LinkedIn will not charge you anything, right? This is totally zero. The invoice which will be generated, that will also show you the 000 amount, right? So you don't have to think about this. But make sure one thing, that you cancel your account before your plan gets expired, right? As you can see here, you'll be able to see the date as well. Your plan begin date is 26th of September and your end date is 26th of October. So it is good to cancel your plan on 24th of October, 2 days ago, right? And you will get the notification from LinkedIn as well before 7 days of your plan trial plan gets end, right? So this is how you can avail your free career premium plan for the first month, and I hope you will use this opportunity for your betterment and you will get your dream job, right? So let's wrap up this video here. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.